So how'd that go for you? Your very first challenge. I hope it was great. And again, if you have not finished, do not watch this lecture. You need to have that struggle, but I'm going to trust that you went ahead and finished it. And I just want to show you the way that I would do this, just so that you can see, oh, maybe there's something he did that, I didn't exactly do that would be a little bit better. Or, you're saying, I think I did my way better. Whatever it is, I just want you to see how I would do this too, so that you have another reference there. And the great thing about programming is there's so many different ways to accomplish a task. Some are definitely better than others, and you may as well do better than me, but I think it's just good that you can see another perspective here. So first thing that we need to do is we need to create an about page. So in order for that to work, I always start with the URLs, because if this is sort of the starting point of anything in Django. So I'm going to copy one of these paths, paste it down below. Make sure you got that ending comma there, and I'm going to add about. And it should go to views.about, and I'm going to give it the name about. Okay, save that. Then I'm going to go to my views. Now it's going to be a lot simpler than the count here, and so I'm going to basically copy the home page one, because it's going to look more like this. Paste that in, and I'm going to change this to about. And I'm going to have this render about.html. Now I don't have an about.html, so I'm going to make one now. New file, about.html. And then inside of here, I'll do a little h1 tag to say about, and end that h1 tag. And I'll do a little parenthesis tag here, say something inside like, hey, my name is Nick and I love to count words. Hope you find the count you need. Kind of a dumb about page, but that's not, I wasn't trying to have a great about page, all right? It's all about the Django. So we'll go ahead and save this. To test this and see if it's even working, I'm going to go to /about. Look at that, my about page shows up. So really the last step for me is just making it so that here on the home page I can go to the about page. So I'm going to go back to my home.html. I'm going to add an a tag in here where the href is equal to my curly brackets with the parentheses, URL space, and then in quotes, about. Excellent. And then I'll say about here. Then I'll end that a tag. Great, so I'll save this and go ahead, reload this. Oh, I can check out the about page. Boom, there it is. So if you want to get super fancy, we could, on the about page, route people back to the home page. So we could go inside of our, I can copy the same code for the one that takes us to home from the count, and just put this below there. So now when I check the about page, I can say start again, although we probably don't want that to say start again. In this case, we'll say return home. All right, so let's go ahead and reload this. Look at that. That's excellent. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed doing that little challenge, and let's go ahead and wrap everything up with an outro.